Good day everyone. Today we'll talk about how to reach Bangkok city from DMK Airport using cheapest mode of transport, which is bus, as you can see, which is outside airport. So we will share the details and it is really very convenient. Once you landed, you are outside the airport, you will go to Terminal 1, as you can see the main gate, and if you are stuck you can ask for information at the information counter. It just charge 50 baht, as you can see, and you can also keep your luggage. And it's very convenient. The buses are also there. You can check in the phone that how much time it's gonna take. As you can see in the bus, they also have option to see the stops, so in which stop is coming next. It's in English. So gate 1, you have to come out from the international airport terminal 1, which is gate 1 right now, and you can see the main signboard, which is DMK International Airport, and you can see there's a bus stop, and bus stop is like easily accessible and visible. You can see that. Here comes A3 bus, which will take me to Lumpini Park, which is my destination, and at Lumpini Park there is one MRT Lumpini also. So A3, the blue line which you can see, it will help me out to reach to my destination. There's also A1, A2, A3 and A4 from the same. You can take it. The convenient fees fare is also mentioned. Please do keep change. And it's the bus is fully air conditioned. It's very helpful and convenient. Throughout the way, the journey is also smooth. You can see the bus is quite spacious from inside, and it's very totally comfortable. There's luggage also. There's a special rack for luggage where you can keep, and they have given the option to passengers to do that as well. So you can check on the phone where is the next stop going to come from your Google Maps, or on the signboard which is there. So you will save by going through bus. You will save lot of money in transportation to reach the main city from airport, which is DMK. For me it was 50 baht. Other destinations are also there, and please do keep change. It will help you out only. Have a good day.